Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been MIA. I just hate filming in this setup, so I've not had any motivation to sit down and film. And I know I did not film last month's BoxyCharm video, but my boxes were amazing as always. So today I am actually going to sit down and film my BoxyCharm videos because I got them super early this month, and that's what we're going to do today. Anyways, if you guys like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, leave some comments down below, and also follow me on Instagram. And let's just get started because these videos tend to be really long. Alright, so we'll start with the base box because it's right on top. As you know, this box retails for $25, right? Yeah, $25. And this month it's Boxy XOXO, super adorable. And the first thing that I noticed in here is something I've actually been wanting to try for like ever. And this is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I have had my eye on this in it's actually been in my Sephora cart forever, but I just couldn't bring myself to buy it because I have so much skincare. So I'm actually excited that I got this. Retails for $29, and it's a lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pore stress, and texture. As a unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the Yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. And I love that it comes with this little spatula on top. And wow, yeah, that is a very interesting texture and smells very citrusy. I cannot wait to use it. Here, this is the Ace Beaute Nostalgia palette. Retails for $38.99. I love their eyeshadows. Like, they are so pigmented and pretty. And I've actually had my eye on this palette too, so I'm glad I got it. And I love the packaging also, but look at that. Like, my camera's not doing it any justice. Like, these colors in person are so vibrant and pretty. But yeah, I'll insert a swatch now. This is the Glamierre Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Retails for $29.95. I've never heard of this brand, but this little case is so cute. It's giving me childhood vibes, 90s vibes. Oh my gosh, I can already see it through it. Okay, I'm in love with these brushes. Like, that's so freaking cute. Like, why is that so adorable? Oh, no. And they're soft. I can't wait to use these. They're so flippin' adorable. So the next one, I don't know about. I love Wonder Beauty, but this is the Double Date Lip and Cheek. It retails for $22. Apparently, it's a balm that can be used alone or layered on the lips and cheeks. I'm not very interested in, like, balmy textures on my cheek because I have very textured cheeks, as you guys already know. But this is what it looks like. Got the pink, and we got clear. And last thing in this box is the St. Luxe Beauty Limited Edition Eyeliner Duo. $40 though. Why is it $40? Like, okay, so those are some dark shades. Not exactly my style, but we'll try it. We'll try it. Moving on to the premium box. Everything's already actually open in here. I know what I have in here. I know that's cheating, but I couldn't help myself. Alright, again, the first thing that actually I am excited about is this Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Retails for $29. I love the Huda Beauty eyeshadows. They are so great and pigmented. And I've had my eye on this for a while, but I just never bought it because I don't usually buy eyeshadows. I don't need them. But I really like this. It's super cute and fun and great for summer. Like, I can't wait to use this this summer, and I will insert a swatch now. So next thing that caught my eye is really heavy actually. This is the, is it Odacite Blue Aura Cleansing Water. This thing's got some weight to it. Like, that is a hefty glass bottle. But it's a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying something herbs. This cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, pollution in one easy step. Okay. It retails for $39, so this is affordable, and you get quite a bit. And it has turmeric and holy basil in it. What is holy basil? I know what turmeric is, but I can't wait to try this. I'm not going to open it yet because right now I'm using that pharmacy one that we got last month. I don't remember what it is, but I'm using that one, and I don't want to open this because I don't like having too many things open at once because they go bad quicker. Alright, so the next thing in here is this Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlight 01. I don't know how something can be a matte radiance baked powder. I'm going to use it as a highlight though. It retails for $44, and it looks like this when I open it. I guess I could use it as a powder too, but I just don't see myself using a highlighty powder on my face. Moving on. Next is this Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. This retails for $24. I've used this before. I actually like their eyeliners a lot. They're great. And next is this Eloise Beauty Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. Retails for $26. It's stunning. I'll insert a swatch now. Last thing in here is this, how do you say this? Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. Retails for $60. Wow, you're expensive, aren't you? Looks like this. It's to illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new soft focus glow drops. Skincare eye makeup hybrid is the next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. Wow, that was a mouthful. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to grab this little palette because it's going to be a little easier to hold. I don't think I'm going to use this one today. I think I'm going to use the Ace Beaute, but I will do a whole video dedicated to this Huda Beauty palette. But we're going to start off with these drops right here. I look a little more radiant. Cool. Alright, so I'll be right back. I'm going to do my foundation real quick. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and did my concealer and bronzer also, which I use the Huda Beauty Contour Cream Bronzer, and I used the Pretty Fresh from ColourPop. I love this foundation. I've not used it in forever. I did make a mistake though. I used the Hourglass Airbrush Concealer that I got in a mini size, but it's a little too dark for me right now. It's going to be great this summer, but right now it's not. So, before my under eyes crease, I'm going to take a little of this Fenty Lavender Powder, which I got last month. You would know if I did my video, but I didn't. Which brush? We're going to use it for this. I love the Fenty powders. Like, they are so soft. And this one really does brighten pretty well. Okay, so now that my under eyes are set, I know my whole face is not set, we're going to try that Laura Mercier on my face. It might be a mistake, it might not be, we don't know, but we're going to try this first. I'm just going to use the brush I use my bronzer, dip in here. It's some pigment. I might have made a mistake just now. I'll use my fingers. We'll see how powder goes on over it. I'm going to actually take my foundation brush here and kind of pat over it a little bit. It is pretty though. You know what? I might change my mind about this. I might not. I don't know. But it is pretty right now on my cheeks. Alright, so we're going to try this Huda Beauty Laura Mercier powder. I don't know if I'll like it on my face, but we're going to try it. So, oh, it's a lot of kick out. Like, that's, look at this. that's crazy. Like, it's not baked in there very hard. So, I think that's what I'm trying to say. So we'll just... I will say, if you want a very, very lit from within glow, this powder's great. If you don't, I wouldn't use it all over your face. But you know what? I'm not mad at it because my skin looks really healthy right now. And it could just be because I changed up my skincare routine. If you guys want to see a video on that, leave some comments down below, because for the past month that I've not filmed, I've had the worst cystic acne breakout that I cleared up. And I will let you know my secrets if you want to know that. No, they're not probably all skincare by Hyram approved, but it worked. This palette, I want to use this palette, but again, I'm going to dedicate a whole video to that one. So today we're going to use these because I'm wearing purple. And I really want to use this theme park shade here, but we're going to work on these purples and reds and oranges today. So I think I'm going to dip into this popsicle shade because that beach shade is literally my skin tone, so we're going to use some of this. So we're going to use one of these brushes now, and I really want to dip into this shade. What shade do I want to use? I want to use this, what is it, Flip Flops? Cannot wait for Flip Flop season. And look at that, look at that pigment. I don't know what shade I want to use. I want to use this stargazing shade right here. Into this carnival shade here too. Theme park. It's like a Did I mess up a little? Maybe, but we'll fix it. about the Tarte liner. Oh my gosh. Okay, that felt tip was a little easier to use than the other one. Now we're going to use this side. Just some of the flip-flop shade here. There's no inner corner shade in here, so we're going to dip in this one. Top one will go with the look. It's kind of got a green reflect in it, but then again, that middle one. Which one? Which one? We'll use both. Oh yeah, that's green. These are not as creamy as I thought they would be. Kind of rough. We're gonna go with this one. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look using both the base box and premium box. That Ace Beaute palette is super fun. I cannot wait to use that Huda Beauty palette more, other than just for my inner corners, because it also looks super fun. Alright, so we're going to do a rundown of prices. We'll start with the base box, obviously. Retails, they sell it for $29. So everything in the box retails for $159.94. That's a super great deal that you're getting on your boxes. Alright, and the premium box they sell for $35. Retails for everything in it retails for $222. So you're getting great deals on these boxes. It's amazing. I hope you guys have a great week. And pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video.